BTC is crashing, but why? Cointelegraph may have the answer, and welcome to an edition of Rabid News. So link to this will be in the description, but Bitcoin price drops to 43.7K after Fed minutes reconfirm plans to hike rates. Bitcoin price slipped below 44,000 shortly after notes from the Federal Reserve's December FOMC session reconfirmed plans to get the balance sheet under control. Scrolling down here, Bitcoin, BTC, and the wider cryptocurrency market fell under as equities markets pulled back at the closing bell after minutes from the Federal Reserve's December FOMC meeting showed that the regulator is committed to decreasing its balance sheet and increasing interest rates in 2022. As stock markets corrected, BTC price followed suit by dropping below 44,000, setting off a cascade of liquidations that reached 222 million in less than an hour. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that after oscillating around support at 46,000 for the past couple days, Bitcoin was hit with a wave of selling that pulled the price to a low of 43,717. Based on the current situation, it is widely expected that the Fed will begin raising its benchmark interest rate in March, which would mean that balance sheet reduction could start before summer. Here's a look at what crypto analysts are saying about the latest Bitcoin drop in BTC and what could be in store in the weeks ahead as the easy money policies of the Fed come to an end and interest rates start to rise. Capitalization looms below 44,000. As foreshadowing of January 5th's pullback was offered by crypto analysis Twitter user Rect Capital, who posted the following chart highlighting the many similarities between this BTC range and May of 2021. Here you can kind of see the chart if you want to take a quick look at it. If not, pause it and I'll move on. Bulls saw BTC consolidate inside two bull market EMAs, green 21-week and blue 50-week EMA. If BTC is to repeat history, a capitalization event could take place where BTC briefly deviates below the blue 50 EMA. BTC needs to reclaim 46,000. A more in-depth look at the price action from May was offered by analyst and Cointelegraph contributor Michael Van de Pope, who posted the following chart detailing how BTC performed during the last sharp market pullback. Here's the chart again. If you would like to check it out, then just pause the video. And the scenario of the drop beneath 46K is taking place on Bitcoin here. The question becomes, will we be hanging here, taking the liquidity, and breaking back above 46K? In that case, the bottom is in. Should the price not break back above 46,000, the market could be in for an extended bear period that has the potential to see BTC retrace to the low 30,000 range. Now, it is a nice drop, and maybe we are heading towards a winter, but it's still a little too soon to tell. But it has been predicted in the past, and we are at the end of that 4-year cycle. The scenario currently facing the market addressed in the following chart posed by Options Radar and pseudonymous, I don't even know how to say that, Twitter user Nanya. BTC monthly drops below the current RSI level and has been ugly this time. The overall cryptocurrency market now stands at 2.123 trillion and Bitcoin's dominance rate is 39.4%. Now, just a little disclaimer of this web post here is the views and opinions expressed here are solely those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of Cointelegraph. Every investment and trading moves involve risk. You should conduct your own research when making a decision. All right, guys. So after reading this article, what is your guys' opinions? Let me know in the comments below. Is Bitcoin going to bounce back up in the future throughout crypto of this year going to be strong? Or are we going to fall into the end of that 4-year cycle and potentially hit a crypto winter? It is still too soon to tell. Let me know what you guys think below. Thanks for watching and Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.